Is it okay to remove the only bathtub in my house and make it a shower? That's today's topic. I was recently asked by a very good friend, Jim, I'd really love to take the bathtub out of my main bathroom and make it just a walk-in tiled shower. Am I going to hurt my resale value? The answer is always, it depends. It depends on the style of house. It depends how long you're going to live there. If you're just going to enjoy it while you're there and that's what you want, make yourself happy and do it. In this circumstances, was not going to hurt resale value. This was a 2-bedroom duplex home that would be perfect for retirees, part-time homeowners who come back and forth, basically over 50s who maybe have a house in Florida, come up, or somebody who is just retired, elderly, and need a small house, and the walk-in shower is perfect because they're not going to get in and out of a bathtub. Typically, we want a bathtub in a house that would be fit for a family where they're going to be bathing the younger children. So the answer to this and most questions is it depends. So give us a call, and always happy to answer your questions and give you our expert advice. Thanks.